In this video, I'll show you how to change your ChatGPT display name to make your workspace feel more personalized. Starting from the OpenAI homepage, I'll head to the top of the screen and click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, I'll select Your Profile from the left sidebar to access my account details. Now, I'll click into the Name text field, type in my new preferred display name, and then click the Save button. You'll see a notification at the top confirming the update was successful. But if I close the settings and go back to the main ChatGPT interface, you might notice that the name hasn't changed in the sidebar just yet. This is because system updates like this can sometimes take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to fully reflect across the system. If it doesn't change for you immediately, I recommend trying to refresh your page or simply logging out and back in to force a refresh of your profile data. It is also important to keep in mind that this only changes your visible display name within the chat interface and won't affect your actual login email address or account security. It's a simple way to keep your professional and personal AI workspaces clearly labeled. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful for customizing your account, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.